Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today we have Dwayne, but Dwayne is showcasing Tina. Now, on this mix, Tina will be talking about cake sale and America. Basically, she is saying that things are being exported from Jamaica to America. That's cakes, and people are buying them. And not
My
only
God.
that, she's saying that it's a battle,
Wagwan
between the two
social media. Good
sides.
morning,
She's
good
saying that
afternoon, good
the
evening.
lady,
Depending where you are. Big up
she
yourself on
didn't
the
mention a
record.
name.
Come.
She's
Mix
saying
up
that the
time.
lady
Mix up. We
is
say
going up
girls.
against people that are in
Girls will
America
come. What is
and
this,
saying that
Lord?
they're
Wagwan
stagnant,
girl.
allegedly.
First comment
However,
and
she's
Marie.
trying
How we
to
go,
get
girlie?
the
Alright, babe.
American
Okay,
money
well.
to
Mercy,
support
girl.
herself.
Wagwan girl.
So
Yes,
you need to
baby.
catch the
Up the
video to
time.
see
Mix
what
up.
Tina has
Say.
to
I
say and
go.
what Dwayne has to say
I love
about
mix up.
this whole
Want me
issue.
to
And guys,
Ooh.
remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe away.
My
And have
God.
yourselves a wonderful day.
Then come
And
on.
as
Tina Chin say
always,
how it go. Tina
lovelies,
Chin say how it go,
share, share,
girl.
share.
And you had Planka Boss. Tina Chin say you're sitting on the backyard is not a bakery. I want to go something. Tina Chin, why you so bad, girl? Why you so bad? Tina Chin, why you so bad? Me soon start bad and never start back. I'm going to go to the people say Tina Chin, she's going in, she's going to go in and eat. Mami tap tap, mami tap tap, mami tap tap, mami tap tap.
Okay, but it's what it is not. It's a bakery.
Mm-hmm.
It is not a bakery.
Mm-hmm. All right, girl.
Good morning, Carlene.
Go.
It is not a bakery.
All right, go.
You know.
All right.
And then you're going to sit there and call people stagnant in America
Sure,
when
go
you're
ahead.
the one leeching off of us. Does that make sense? You're the unregistered business. You are the business that's not inspected. You know, no health department walks through your business to inspect your business. Nobody knows where you get your ingredients from. So if anybody is stagnant, it's you. If you have been baking for 4 years and you have been shipping here to the United States and you're making your money off the United States and you never once get your kitchen inspected, you never once registered your kitchen in Jamaica, who is the stagnant one? Who is the stagnant one, woman? Who is the stagnant one? And then on top of it, you're shipping your cakes into my country. You're hustling your cakes into my country, and you found all the audacity in your ignorant mouth, in your dunce mouth, to sit there and tell people they're stagnant in America. Meanwhile, you're dependent on our dollar to feed yourself. You're dependent on us buying your nasty cakes here to feed yourself and pay your damn bills in Jamaica. Where does that make sense? You should be ashamed of yourself. They should be ashamed of themselves, honestly. Ashamed. Ashamed.
She soon started out. She gonna get it. She going it. She going it. She gonna get it.
You're shipping cakes here, and then on top of it, you want to insult other business owners who are working hard, business owners like myself who are working hard to do what they're doing. You know, trying to throw dirt, the wickedest thing about it, she's attempting to stop people's bread from where she's sitting. You understand? You're in Jamaica doing your hustle, and you're trying to stop my bread with your foul mouth. You're not paying taxes here. I am. You know, you're not paying taxes here. I am. The audacity. But go and look into that there. Look into that, because it's just horrible that they can really do that and then sit there and throw dirt on people's business. You know, people who are here paying their taxes, paying their rent, paying their mortgages. You know, you want to sit there and throw dirt on people's names. You understand what I'm saying? You get me?
100 people. On can't push up the likes to be Push up the likes. Put me a beg, push up the likes, you know. I'm seven little stars on that treat me. So I'm just enough on the can't see that enough on the can't see that you pay because she black out on the backside. I'm sure somebody know the live it delete now. I wanna now hear what she talk about that I go say. So they give me little stars, gonna pay for the damn mix up and stop treat me like dog shit, because it's not dog shit. It's Maureen's son. Oh.
That's crazy. Good morning, Carlene. You know, stagnant is when you sit in that little room for how long and didn't get it registered. Stagnant is when you sit in that little room for how long and didn't get it inspected. That's stagnant. That's what you call stagnant. Okay? Stagnant is not sitting in foam, you know.
She's so starter. It's so weird.
But the Florida market and all these other markets that they're trying to ship to, it's not working there. It's not working. You know, people don't understand that. Not because they're popular, they feel like they can take over the entire. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that, darling. And instead of you just sitting there making your money and making your hustle, you're sitting there trying to tear down a person's business here in the United States of America by using your mouth. Your foul mouth trying to tear down people. Where does that work? Aren't you a grown woman? You just need to stop your behavior, because it just sounds so ignorant and disgusting. And you're a very vulgar person. You're very vulgar and you're very nasty, and you need to stop. Your mentality is nasty. You need to stop. You're a nasty person. It needs to stop. You understand what I'm saying? But all these other bakers out here who are like home bakers and stuff like that, I see a lot of y'all supporting these platform holders who are choking your money out of you. Like, come on. Come on. No, you can't be, as a home baker. Remember, the odds are already against you. I'm talking about y'all here in the United States. Okay? We're all about empowerment and all of that other stuff. But you got to remember, those external bakers, they do not understand what empowerment is. We speak a different language here in the U.S. Anybody in Jamaica or anybody in other countries do not understand empowerment.
Pause. Me start it yes, so sound can understand how it start. I shall go good night. Oh, all right.
You have no business supporting these external.
You can't come phone now. 1 second, guys. Hello? Hello? Get off my phone. I'm not interested. Goodbye. I'm busy. Bye. Don't block my take me off your list. Take me off your list. Goodbye. Bye. Oh, Tada. Sorry, girls. Sorry, girls. It's all fucking all Tada.
Who don't give a rat's ass about you as a home baker. And they're knocking bread from your mouth by importing their goods here. They're reducing your sales by importing their goods here. So what are you really supporting? I'm just curious to know. Why do you home bakers feel the need to beg these people to support, to repost your flyers to support you? Why? Do you really believe that you're going to get the support if they repost your flyer on their page? Let's be honest with yourselves now. Come on now. Remember now, they're importing their nasty cakes here. Okay, they're importing nasty cakes. You are here in the U.S., right? It's publicly known that they're importing their cakes here to take out of your pocket, because pretty much if they import their cakes here, people are going to probably want to buy their cake and not yours. You should be looking at them as a competition. And your goal as a U.S. baker is to try to cut off their supply. Your goal is not supposed to be supporting them. They won't, because people will support the preferred exactly. You home bakers who keep sending your flyers to those people to oh, you can't put this on your page. Them fool. I see them Jamaican baker, yeah. Them Jamaican baker, yeah, were living in the United States. Them fool. I don't know if it has
Wanna
something to do
fool?
with their age or what. But them fool, them just always want up in a things. Why the hell are y'all sending your flyers to these platform holders who do not live in the United States, and y'all beg them for repost your flyer so that you can get support, you can get cake sales? I'm sorry to break it to you. You will not be getting any cake sales. So do not send your flyers to these platform holders who reside outside of the United States. Your focus should be here. Your advert should be here. Your marketing should be here in the US, not with these outside platform holders. No comments, no likes, no nothing, you know, see. Because the people, them not gonna support them. The people, they only, let me tell you, US bakers, I'm speaking to you directly. You small, you home bakers. Whenever you send your flyers to these people, to have them, these big platform holders, to have them
That's so
repost
sad.
them to your page, to their page, nobody's gonna look at you. And they're only reposting your flyer for themselves to look good. For them as platform holders to look good. That's the only reason why they're reposting your baking flyer. They're not reposting your baking flyer hoping that you get support. They know you will not get any support. They know they're the ones who will get support. They know. They know you're not going to get any support. I remember about a year ago, right? A lady sent in, about 2 years ago maybe, a lady sent in something, and she must have paid. She must have paid. I'm not going to say who the platform holder is, but we all know who it is. The lady paid this person $500
Forget
to
I'm
do
black.
like a 2-week advertisement for her. 500 US, right? This is because the platform holder sold them on the hype idea. Hype. So this woman now, we're up in an age when I really understand social media. This small business owner who resides in the United States, she resides in the US, right? Send her $500 all the way to Jamaica, go get a person. Because why? She wants
Adana she attack. Remember now. Adana she attack.
a person to repost her flyer every other day on her page for she
It's
gets
done or
sales.
Cora. Actual.
Do you know what happened after 2 or 3 days or after a week, I think? Not one sale.
Adana
You know
Cora.
what happened the second week?
Adana she attack. The money got Jamaica. Adana she attack.
Not one sale either. Only somebody call and must inquire about something. And that's it. So there you have it. $500 down the damn drain. $500 down the drain. The woman call and she complain and she complain and she complain. When the woman complain, the woman, they ended up sending back the woman $200 out of her money because they realized that the woman didn't get no sale as they promised. And them all go send back $200 or $250 of the woman's money. Okay? So those of you home bakers who want to run up in a things and want to fly a repost and then hype people a page, take it from you notice you don't see me advertising with nobody. What do you notice? You don't see me advertising with anyone. There's a reason for that. Because I already know. The reality is, if people are going to buy, if people don't know you or if they don't like you, they're not going to buy from you. I already know this. So you home bakers focusing on these external people and want on a fly, only is wasting a time and a good fool. I can only imagine how many of you local US people who are Jamaicans or Caribbeans, right? Right? I can imagine how much I want to take up on a friggin' money and send go give that woman there Jamaica or send go good that one over there and send for them repost a flyer. I only not get one dry seal out tight. I only sit down and feel like shit.
Ah, jeez,
Yeah. I can only imagine how much I want to take up on a $500
ah, jeez,
of what y'all don't have.
What on there? When I can't make them 5 bills. We can't make them people me serious, me not tell them broke hungry and paupers. When I can't bless me a little cash up and a little Zelle. I do a note for Dwanye. Yeah, send me little stars because I'm not telling them me broke. Look for me. On see me pop down. Me pop down bad and bless me man. Sure. And stop treat me so. I'm going on mix up. Me pin the Zelle, me pin the cash up. Add a note for Dwanye. Yeah, beg no. On come on page every day come go on myself for the whole mix up and bring come over here. Come and do what? Let's work out something. Let's work out something, man. Work out something. Come here, hungry. I'm broke. I want to go straight. Sure.
Okay.
Me I tell them the truth. I want to
The
go straight.
stupidity of what they're doing, Erica,